In this short video series, we'll be covering the key components required for utilizing the Yuku self-mint tool to launch your own NFT collection. To begin, we'll need to start off by selecting a Web3 storage provider to host our content. In this example, I'll be using a platform called web3.storage. Once we're here, we'll just need to connect using our email, and then we can navigate to the Create section and enter the name of the space we'd like to create. Once that's been created, you'll need to click on it here and open the space. To upload images, we'll need to go to this Upload tab and then select Directory to upload our images folder. Confirm the upload, and your folder of images should be successfully uploaded to the platform. Now we'll need to click on the List tab to find your root CID link. If we click here, it will reveal more details, and then we can access the URL. To finish this step, we'll just need to copy the URL here, and then we're ready to move on.